What's going on, guys? Back to another video. Today we're here again kayak fishing at Pasir Ris Park. The only difference this time is we're doing a kayak fishing, catch and cook. So hopefully we'll get some fish to cook. If we don't get fish, we can always still get mussels, but I hope we get fish. So my friends are coming here later and we'll be inflating the boat and getting ready. So yeah, tight line. Okay, so we'll be inflating the boat first. Same as always. Doesn't take that long. Takes like 15 minutes to get the boat ready. So should be quite fast. Okay, so we've put the boat, we've inflated it, and we've put the structures. Now we're just adding the roof. Do we even need the roof today? It seems very like cloudy. We are taking our boat to the water. Yay. This is so fun. 3 people are going in the boat this time. Okay, let's go. We are setting sail. This time it's way more packed because my friend is here. This time it's way more planned. But this time the paddles are cooperating. Everything seems to be cooperating. The weather seems to be cooperating. Yeah. That's that. We're doing a catch and cook. I really want to get a good sized fish. Just like a good sized fish. A barramundi or snapper would really make my day. Let's hope we get some of those. Okay. We're going to get fair price prawn. You guys know I love fair price prawn because it's fair price prawn. So unpeel it, cut it in half, and we'll hook it on the Guys, there definitely is bites. They're so small. I think it's a smallies again. Yeah, they're definitely small ones. Okay, so on the heavier rod, we got a really big bite just now. I'm guessing it's a snapper or a grouper because it went really fast. It went into the rocks and then the line broke. We didn't react fast enough and it took our line, our sinker. So now we're back down at the bottom. We want to get that fish. If we get that, our meal is done for today. So we're really hoping to get that fish. It's really big. Hope it's not a catfish though. So we'll keep fishing. It hasn't been that long, so I have high hopes. There's probably a fish. Okay, hold it. Reel it up. There's probably a fish. Reel it up. Ah, eel. Okay. Come on. It's trying to wrap itself against our line.
小心，我的脸。
Effing eel.
小心啊
What is this? It's like a moray eel. It's definitely not what we got just now. Okay, so that didn't go too well. There was an eel and we didn't manage to save it, honestly. It just fell into the water and it's still tangled. It's tangled really badly. They just tangled themselves. I mean, it asked for it. It tangled itself and I lost my bait. So it's the same rod that lost the big fish. Now we're putting it back down, hopefully we can get some good fish instead of trash fish. So, hopefully we get some. Okay guys, I think there's a fish. Reel it in, reel it in. There's a fish. Reel it in. Oh! Catfish. What? Why catfish? Gimme. The cold water fish. Or the catfish. Or the eel. Come on.
Wait. That is simple. Okay, bye.
Bye. Oh, it's swimming down, guys. Guys, there's another fish. You can reel it in. Okay, don't put it too close. Just reel it in, Sully. Are you effing kidding me? This must be a joke, guys.
What?
This is a different type of catfish.
Wow.
Okay, guys, bye.
Bye.
Bye, swimming away. Okay, bye. Okay, guys, we've been fishing for a while more, and there is no fish. There's no new fish. I'm guessing it's the tide because it's low tide. So there might not be that much fish. There might not be that much action, like 1 hour after low tide. So we're gonna teach you how to catch mussels. So you put your hand underneath because this thing turns. So if you turn it, it will just turn back. So you put your hand underneath. You feel for big mussels. So you feel if there are any big mussels. This one seems pretty big, and we'll just pull it out. And guys, this is a really big mussel. Guys, look at this. Yeah, that's how you just pull it out. Okay, guys, finally a small fish caught. I think it's fighting really well. Oh, Stella! Stella, Pop. Oh, my first scad. Guys, it's a scad. I can't believe it's a scad. That's why this rod is not catching anything. These are all scads.
What is that?
I think it could be a brown-backed trevally or a yellow-tailed scad. It's something like that. They only get this big and they're really good fried. Should we keep it?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, yes. Yes, a scad. Guys, I think there's a thing. Oh, grouper.
Wow!
Oh, where's your tool?
You have two! Oh my god!
Oh, guys, I think this is what happened. There's this cardinal fish. Guys, this cardinal fish bit my hook. And then it got caught. And then the grouper wanted to eat this fish. And then the grouper also got caught.
So cute.
Okay, Chenxin also got this thingy. Oh, okay, just put it in the boat and then... Yeah, just take it in the boat, put it in the boat. Oh, I think this is good bait. The grouper ate this more than it wanted to eat anything else. So we're gonna be trying to use it.
Someone help me!
We're gonna be... Okay, wait. We're gonna be trying to use this as bait. Okay, so this is a big fish rig with a prawn and one of those fish that the grouper likes. Let's drop it down. So we were here for a while, and the grouper would only eat this. The grouper would not eat prawn. This is a orange spotted grouper. I just caught it. So I got this fish, and the grouper wanted to eat that fish. So it just ate that fish. It didn't eat prawn. We were here for a long time and it didn't eat prawn. So I'm thinking it likes the live fish. So right now we have a lot of the live fish. And we're going to try to catch more. It's only like 12. But the dry spell is over. We finally got a good eating fish. Look guys, Chenxing has a fish. Oh, it's a helicopter fish. Give me. Helicopter fish. You can't eat this, but then it's a good thing to take a photo of.
So beautiful.
Helicopter. You know why it's called helicopter fish? fish, reel it in. Oh, it's another
Parrotfish.
no. What do you mean parrotfish?
Helicopter
fish.
I think it's the same one.
No, smaller.
This one's different.
Smaller.
Hey. It's not similar.
Oh, it's similar. It's salmon wave. Okay, so I think it's around 3 o'clock, 2:30. We should go back and do a catch and cook. So this is the sala and this is the grouper. Let's let go of this small fish. So we're packing up. We are I put this. Wow. Okay, so we're going back, but the waves don't seem to be cooperating anymore. Neither does the wind. I think, guys, I'm being made this way. The people on the boat don't want to walk. And they don't want to carry the boat to the catch and cook place either. So I'm having to pull them underwater. It's okay because my feet are on the floor, just walking in the water. But all the people don't want to take the boat. So I have to take the boat and the people.
Oh,
And my feet is bleeding. Okay guys, that was refreshing. I went for a shower and now we're gonna do the cooking part. Fortunately, we've got grouper, we've got the scat, and we've got the mussels. So there are a lot of these things on it, the barnacles. People say to use a knife, but I say just hit them. See? Off already, and there's a lot of barnacles. And it's all off. So we'll be doing that. See you guys when we're done. Okay, so guys, this is our scad. We're going to like fry it with garlic butter with the mussels. So right now we're taking off the scales. Okay guys, so this is the scad. We're washing it by the beach. Okay. So this is the fire. We're going to be cooking these mussels and we're gonna be cooking the mussels first. So let's get the fire started. Okay, we've got the tinder going. Okay. Let's put in more before we put in charcoal. Okay, thanks, tinder.
Yeah.
We need more. We need more, guys. The fire's going out. Guys, the consistent fire is working. The fire is down there. The good thing about this is that it won't smother the fire. See, we're pulling all over it. Then there's holes here that go underneath that give it oxygen. So that's good. And we need to get it a bit bigger for the fire. And then we'll start boiling the oysters. Guys, finally! There's a fire and it's finally cooking. See the fire? That's the water. And the mussels are boiling. Okay, this is a orange spotted grouper. We need to survive today, so we have to eat. I'm sorry, grouper. This can be called the green-eyed grouper or the orange spotted grouper. It's still quite big. It's like 30 centimeters, which is basically like the keeping limit. So it's dead now. Okay, taking off the scales. Okay, so Team B is coming back from their expedition. This is my friend's family. This is my friend. He was out with us, Chen Xin. This is their family. And we're gonna see if they caught any fish. Okay, so the fish is in the net. Doesn't look that big. Looks... I don't know what it is. Is it alive? Oh, sorry. 它死了就不可以当 helicopter 了。
Go back to the sea.
Guys, the helicopter fish is there. The mussels are done. They have opened. They're not done. We haven't put the sauce in. But are taking them out and we need to fry them. But the shells have opened, so that means they're pretty much like ready. But we need to put the flavor in. Okay, so right now we're putting them in and we're gonna fry them. I don't think we should put all of them in, it's a bit hard to fry. Okay, so we're making the sauce go inside. And the fire is still big, so yay. Shall we? Okay, I'm gonna try one mussel. Give me. Give me the fork. Hot? Oh, I think it's hot right now.
Slowly.
So hot. A lot of flavor. Okay. A lot of flavor. What flavor? Black pepper flavor.
Wow.
Whoa.
Okay.
Is that the red dotted fish?
Yeah. Guys, the soy sauce is boiling inside it. I think the grouper will be quite nice. It's boiling. Okay, the grouper is done. We're gonna put a bit more soy sauce.
Okay, done.
Let's take it out. Grouper. Nice grouper. Whoa.
Wait, another fish or another dish inside? What about on the other hand?
Okay, we're going to cook the scad. We're gonna fry it with butter. So we've got one fry, one sort of soup, and one steamed. So we're experimenting with all the different types today. Okay guys, so we are going to taste test the grouper. Take a chunk.
Look at this.
Oh man, that's hot. But it's really tender. It's really good. It was just caught out there a couple hours ago. Now it's really tender, really nice. I think it's really good for outdoor catch and cook. It's just a little bit plain, but you gotta eat what you can, see? This is very nice. This is the last fish. Putting some sauce.
Pepper sauce.
Pepper, salt. So check up on the fish. It's been devoured. The grouper has, like, there's no more meat left. It's absolutely, like, just devoured. Okay, so this is the finished product of the Sela Papa and the scad. Oh, you took such a big. And now let's try it.
It's so yummy. Just it's too plain like the other fish.
It's like, I don't think it's too plain. It's like butter flavored.
Yeah, just literally because you put butter over it.
I think it's really good. It's like butter flavored. It's like fried fish, but not really. It's like butter fried fish, and it's really has that butter taste to it. And now one side is already done. Let's flip it.
Hey, wait for me.
It's like really buttered flavored.
Let's dig into it. Look at it, that chunk is so big.
It's really butter flavored. It's really good. The grouper and the scad are all really good. I really love it. That is probably why they are both gone right now. There's no more grouper and no more scad.
No, I'm still eating it.